We are discussing the chapter health and hygiene, right? So in our previous videos we have discussed what do you mean by health, what do you mean by diseases, the types of diseases, communicable and non-communicable diseases. We have seen what do you mean by communicable diseases in detail, with the group of diseases and how it spreads, right? And what are the preventive measures or precautions that we can take. Then next, non-communicable diseases. So we have discussed about non-communicable diseases, what do you mean by them, and what are the diseases that come under non-communicable diseases and how are they caused. Okay, so now coming to the hygiene part. Now what do you mean by hygiene? The word hygiene. So hygiene generally means the ways or the measures that we can take, especially by cleanliness, okay, to prevent diseases. Okay, so if you want to live a healthy life, you always want to be disease free, so we need to be clean, right? We need to follow some ways, we need to follow some measures which are known as hygienic ways, you can say, or hygienic measures, which can keep us disease free, which can keep our body away from diseases, right? So that includes personal cleanliness first. Okay, so personal cleanliness means, personal hygiene means it includes the practices which we follow to keep ourselves clean and healthy. So if we want to be healthy, we need to be clean, and to be clean means to practice the ways or to follow the ways that help us to be clean, help us to be healthy, help us to be disease free. Okay, so in order to stay healthy and disease free, it is highly important to keep ourselves clean, and not only ourselves clean but also our surroundings clean. Surroundings means we all know the place where we are living, right? So हमारे आसपास का जो सराउंडिंग है, जो जगह है, वो भी क्लीन होना वो भी क्लीन रखने की हमें ज़रूरत है. So not only we have to keep ourselves clean, but we also have to keep our surroundings clean, because we know that dust and dirt is present everywhere, right? So it's present everywhere. It can be in the form of smoke from released from the vehicles and factories, right? It can be in the form of garbage, anything, right? So this dust and dirt particle, the smoke particles, can stick to our body throughout the day. Therefore, what we should do? We must wash our hands regularly, right? We should take a bath twice a day at least, and we should always wear washed clothes, clean clothes, to prevent the dust and dirt sticking our body. Why? What happens if dust and dirt will stick to our body? Through our body, say for example, if we are touching something which is unclean, if we are touching some unclean object, what will happen if we don't wash our hands? Those dust and dirt particles which carries germs may enter into our body and cause diseases, right? So we should always wash our hands regularly and take bath twice every day. Okay, then sometimes what happens, due to physical activities, when we are doing some activities, physical activities, when we are doing some exercise, heavy exercise, physical exercise, what happens? We sweat, right? Now what happens when we sweat? This sweat causes the dirt and dust to stick to our skin easily, right? Now we also touch many things during the day, so what happens? The dirt and dust then stick to our hands, and if we eat food without washing our hands, the dust and dirt enters our body and will make us sick. Therefore, we must wash our hands with soap or use hand sanitizer before taking food, before eating food. Now, to prevent ourselves from falling sick frequently, we have seen that some of you may be falling sick frequently, बार बार बीमार पड़ते हैं. So one of the reason may be unhygienic ways that we are following. So we should maintain personal hygiene, the ways that I have told you. Washing the hands regularly, especially before eating, after eating. We should take bath at least twice a day. Okay, we should wear clothes, clean clothes. We should keep our surroundings clean, right? So all these are some of the habits or personal cleanliness ways which we can follow. So what happens? It starts with keeping our body and body parts clean. So personal cleanliness means to keep our body and body parts clean.